Investing in oneself is one of the millionaire mentality principles fundamentals. Millionaires think that they are the creators of their lives, rather than relying on others. That is why they see the value of investing in themselves and pursuing personal growth and development on a regular basis. After a long day at work, it's easy to collapse on the couch and binge watch television. A person with a millionaire mindset, on the other hand, will see that such acts will not bring her any closer to her goal. To be a millionaire, she must possess the ability to make millions, which might take numerous forms. How to ask for a raise or promotion, how to establish a side business, how to invest in stocks, how to be financially literate, and where to get solid financial management ideas are just a few examples of basic ways to create wealth, but there is still so much to learn. Millionaires like Warren Buffett read every day because knowledge is power, and you should too. Here are 9 tips to get you closer to become millionaire.
Here are the top 9 tips for sustaining outstanding success. Number 1. Always review your life. Elon Musk said, and I quote, "I think it is important to have a feedback loop where you are constantly thinking about what you have done and how you could be doing it better. If you do not review your life, you wouldn't know when you are falling off track." Reviewing your life allows you to set up for greater levels of success and capitalize on your mistakes. Humans tend to forget a lot, even the things that matter most to us. But reviewing where you are and where you think you want to be every once in a while will keep you on track. Set your goals and always review them. Number 2. Avoid bad company. There is nothing as terrible as being slowed down by people who are not headed in the same direction as you. Jim Rohn says, and I quote, "You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with." There is also another saying that goes thus: "Show me your friends and I will tell you who you are." One day, distance may part you and your friends, but the impact they had on you and the habits you gained from their company will remain. If someone is a terrible influence on your life, run, run, and run. Number 3. Stay consistent. Most people give up before they hit success. The truth is that there is money everywhere. Yes, some fields may seem more profitable than others, but you will most likely find very wealthy people across all fields. Stay consistent. That is the master key. Most big companies had to endure decades of struggle to become what they are today. Coca-Cola wouldn't be what it is today if Asa Griggs Candler had given up when he started. Check out the biggest people in any game, be it tech, sports or medicine, they are consistent. Number 4. Imagination. Albert Einstein says, and I quote, "Imagination is more important than knowledge. Knowledge is limited. Imagination encircles the world." Everything you see in the world today was at one time just a figment of someone else's imagination. Close your eyes and imagine where you would like to be in 10 years' time. Give that imagination life. Breathe it. Feel it. And keep it alive. Feeling, along with imagination, becomes energy that keeps you going even if no one believes in you or is following you behind. The greatest inventions of mankind were thought to be impossible just before the inventor performed the magic. Their secret is, they can see it in their mind. And if you can see it in your mind, and hold the thought long enough, eventually, it will become a reality. If you can't close your eyes and clearly see what you want, then you haven't developed enough clarity. Imagination is evidence of things yet unseen. It is proof to your mind that you know where you are going. Number 5. Build collaborations and associate with people who are fired up. Always build collaborations. The right company of people makes all the difference. If you stay around people who cannot just put up with being average, eventually that will rub off on you. And you will begin having bigger dreams than you thought you could and begin pushing yourself to limits you thought you would never reach. Number 6. Have mentors. This one should have appeared at the top of this list. Without mentors, you will make all the mistakes there are to make. What you really want to do is to shorten as much as possible the time it would take you to get to the top, and this is what mentors do for you. Your mentor doesn't have to be close to you. Warren Buffett can be your mentor, Steve Jobs can be your mentor. All their works are already available. And you will speed up your journey to the top by avoiding the mistakes made by these great men and modeling their success to suit your inner dream. Number 7. Develop healthy habits. Steve Jobs once said, "You don't want to be the wealthiest man in the world when you are in the grave. Definitely not. For this reason, eat healthy, exercise daily, avoid junk foods. Read every day. Warren Buffett is 89 years old and is still healthy and very wealthy. Having healthy habits will keep you actively in the game for decades. You don't want to become rich and die from health complications caused by bad habits. What you want to do is become rich while still being very healthy, and make an impact in the world. To achieve this, you have got to stay alive and healthy. So, do your research on what is healthy for you to eat and what isn't. You have to read books on food, health, and well-being. You have to take good care of your body. Number 8. Build a morning ritual and stick to it. There isn't one successful person out there who doesn't have a morning ritual. From Tony Robbins to Oprah Winfrey, Dwayne Johnson, Barack Obama, Jocko Willink, Steve Jobs. The list is endless. A simple morning ritual could involve waking up early, meditation, journaling, and reading.